Want to block someone on WhatsApp quickly? Here's how. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Ensure you're in the Chats tab. Find the contact you want to block and open the chat with them. Tap on the contact's name at the top of the screen to open their contact info. Scroll down and tap on Block Contact. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Block again to confirm. This blocks all calls and messages from that person. Return to your chat section. For another option, tap the three dots at the top right corner. Go to Settings, then tap on Privacy. Scroll down and select Contacts. Tap on Blocked Contacts. Tap on the icon with human and a plus to select the contact you want to block from your list. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips.